Thank you for choosing D-Patrick Motoplex. With our highly trained BMW, master, certified technicians, and decades of experience, not only are you bringing your vehicle to the right place, but we have made it even easier for you to service your vehicle with us. D-Patrick is equipped with some of the most knowledgeable and experienced certified technicians, as well as the proper facility and tools to diagnose, repair, and maintain your vehicle to factory standards. You can schedule your service appointment online through our website. Just enter your BMW, make and model, select the service you like to complete, and choose the date and time that works best for you. If you need to schedule your appointment quickly, you can give us a call. When you arrive, park in the customer parking area located right out front. From there, enter the building and head over to the service advisor's office. Your service advisor will confirm your appointment details, collect your keys, and get the service process started. Once you provide your phone number or email, we'll send you updates through the process, from check-in to completion, so you're always in the loop. While our team takes care of your vehicle, you're welcome to relax in our comfortable service lounge. With every service we perform, we also complete a multi-point inspection to make sure everything on your vehicle is in proper working order and meets all safety specifications. During this process, our technicians may send you a quick video update showing your vehicle's progress or pointing out anything that might need extra attention. It's a simple way to keep you informed every step of the way. And when your service is complete, paying is simple. You can pay securely through a link we'll text straight to your phone, or if you prefer, you can take care of it in person with your advisor. Thank you again for servicing your vehicle at D-Patrick. We look forward to keeping your vehicle running at its best, and we'll see you soon.